Many people think that the voice comes from the throat. And it's partially true. And I want to tell you that actually voice comes from not only just from our throat, but our entire body. So voice is a sound frequency, sound form of energy produced by the vibration of the vocal cord here. But before the air, before the prana, the oxygen that we are breathing, is coming to the vocal cord to vibrate, first we want to breathe deeply. And our voice depends on how we breathe, in a sense. And when we breathe deeply, we can feel that the belly expands. And as we exhale, the belly goes in. So the essence of the voice, which is the breath first goes in from the nose and all the way down to the lower abdomen. You can even have a hands on your lower belly and feel the expansion. And as we exhale, the belly goes in, and then the air comes out again from the nose. And breathe in through the nose. Connect how the belly is expanding. And let's open the mouth and sigh out. So in order to use our voice with full potency, we need to connect with our abdomen and lower belly, those center, the Swadhisthana chakra, the sacral center, to be able to feel and connect with our feeling. And to the abdomen, this is navel center, Manipura chakra, the seat of confidence. So for the voice to come out with clarity, first we need to feel, and we need to feel open and confident. Heart is open. And as a result, at the very end, keeping the throat center, refined open throat center as a channel of the vibration, and the sound comes through. There is a beautiful metaphor that visualizes our spine as a hollow of the flute, like a bansuri flute of the Indian flutes. And it had 7 holes, just as our 7 chakras. And these 7 chakras, 7 energy centers, are the different frequency. And it is important to keep the inside of the spine energetically and also physically empty and open, so that the source of the sound, which is prana, the life force energy, which is the air, can travel through freely, so that the sound comes out from the throat center as a result. So this is an invitation for you to visualize that your whole body is an instrument of your self-truthful expressions. And also think about that we are not only just the physical body. We also have a subtle bodies of etheric body, emotional feeling body, and so on. Our emotional body is big. Like if we are talking with a friend on the other side of the planet, let's say I'm in Thailand and I'm talking with my friend in America, and if my friend tells me some amazing, great news of, oh, I'm having a baby, like something like this kind of really happy news, I could feel the happiness and joy even at the other side of the planet. And that is like the one measure that we can measure how much our emotional feeling body is big, at least at the size of this planet. So also think about your body is big. We often tend to get contracted, like our voice just comes from the throat. And the throat is such a tiny part of our body. But no, your voice comes from your entire body. Your voice comes from your entire spine. Your entire body is like an instrument, like a flute. And then this flute is not only just here, it is connected with all the space around. You can even open your arms and feel how big this instrument of the voice is. And with this open arm, let's try to make a sound. We can just make a sound, ah or oh or whatever that sound. Take a deep breath in. And I hope you could feel the very subtle difference when we open our consciousness from the small place of the throat into more wide and broad open space of the all around you and all that is you. And this perception, this consciousness already changed how your voice sounds like. You will feel more confident, you will feel more open, and your voice has more stability. So I'd like to explore deeper into this vocal exploration and looking forward to journeying together with you.